and I come from different worlds, but living under one big sky. We're not so different, you and I. And don't you think it's quite absurd that we keep fighting over nothing, always pushing, always shoving?